षष्ठः पाठः सदाचारः. सुप्रभातं छात्राः. We are learning about sadacharah, good behavior. Let us continue with 5th and 6th shlokas today. Here in 5th shloka we are going to learn about the respecting elders. Respecting elders is one of the greatest quality we need to acquire. Respecting elders in the sense we need to respect our parents, our teachers, great people in the society. Great people in the sense they can be greater by age, by knowledge, by position, etc. So, respecting all these elders is the basic quality we need to acquire ourselves. By respecting elders, our status in the society gets increased and we will be blessed by our elders. That blessing leads us to be successful in our life. In 6th shloka, we are going to learn about the importance of friendship. Friendship is one of the most important point in our life because no one can be happy in their life without good friends. Please note that having good friends is very important. While choosing the friends, we need to analyze the quality of the person, because being in the company of bad friends leads us to the failure. Therefore, we have to choose good friends and be with them happily. Let us move into the shlokas now. Shreshtam janam gurum chapi mataram pitaram tatha manasa karmana vacha seveta satatam sada. Shreshtam janam gurum cha api mataram pitaram tatha manasa karmana vacha seveta satatam sada. So, Shreshtam janam, great people, gurum, teachers, mataram, mother, pitaram, father. So, these are great people, honorable people in our life. Therefore, manasa karmana vacha satatam sada seveta. Seveta means serve. We must serve always, continuously. How we have to serve them? Manasa, by mind. In our mind we must respect them and value them. We not supposed to think anything, not supposed to think anything bad about them. And karmana, by our act we have to show that we respect them. And vacha, by speech we have to show that we respect them. So in all three aspects, by mind, by act, by speech, we have to respect great people in this society, like educated people, elders, everyone. And guru, teachers, and mataram, pitaram, mother and father, so parents. So we have to respect all of them in all three aspects. Then we will be successful in our life. One should respect great person, teacher, mother and father by mind, act and speech. In this shloka, value of respect towards elders mentioned. Word meanings: Shreshtam janam, great person; gurum, teacher; mataram, mother; pitaram, father; manasa, by mind; karmana, by act; vacha, by speech; seveta, should serve; satatam, continuously; sada, always. मित्रेण कलहं कृत्वा न कदापि सुखी जनः इति ज्ञात्वा प्रयासेन तदेव परिवर्जयेत्. मित्रेण कलहं कृत्वा न कदापि सुखी जनः इति ज्ञात्वा प्रयासेन तदेव परिवर्जयेत्. So here importance of friendship is explained. Mitrena kalaham krutva, by quarreling, kalaham means quarreling, by quarreling with friends, na kadapi sukhi janaha, no one can be happy in their life if they fight with their friends, because friendship is very important. With the advice and help of friends only we can survive in this society happily. Therefore, if you quarrel with your friends, you cannot be happy at all. Iti jnatva prayasena. Knowing this, prayasena tadeva parivarjayet. With effort, you must avoid quarreling with your friends. So, friendship, good friendship is important here. We must be in the company of good friend. Before being friendly with somebody, we must look into their qualities. Only when we have to be friendly along with others when they are good. And once we develop the friendship, we need to be friendly all the time. We are not supposed to quarrel with them. With effort, even some situation arises, we must avoid fighting with them. Then we can be happy in our life. No one can be happy by quarreling with friends. Knowing this, one should avoid that with effort. With effort, we have to avoid quarreling with our friends. Word meanings: mitrena, with friend; kalaham, quarreling; krutva, after doing; kadapi, ever; sukhi, happy; janaha, person; jnatva, knowing this; prayasena, by effort; tadeva, that; parivarjayet, should be avoided. So, like this, we completed all 6 shloka of this lesson. So, children, learn these shlokas with the translation and word meanings thoroughly. Let us move into exercise of this lesson tomorrow. Thank you, children.